welcome to or back to my channel. I make videos about fashion, mainly sort of sustainable and charity shop fashion, but sometimes we slide ever so gracefully into the world of designer fashion, as fashion in general is a huge passion of mine. And when I find things in the designer realm that I absolutely love, to me they are really brilliant purchases, because it doesn't always mean this, but a lot of the times the quality is really good and it's pieces that I know are really classic that I'm willing to spend the extra dollar bills on, because I know I'm going to have them in my wardrobe for a really long time. And this piece, and I'm sure the reason you've clicked on the video, is no exception. So today I'm going to be talking to you about the Chloe Betty rain boot. But before we get into that, I would love if you could hit subscribe on this video if you're new here. I, like I said, upload fashion content mainly, occasionally kind of the travel side of things, but I'd say my main content is fashion related. So if that is something you're into, mainly like designer or thrifty fashion, then do stick around and hit that subscribe button. I try and upload weekly every Monday at 6 PM, but could be throughout the week. So if you're down there, you may as well hit that bell notification as well to be notified every time I upload a new video. So without further ado, I never know if it's a do or a Jew, but without further ado, like D-E-U, like a Jew bud. Let's get into this video. So today I am here to talk to you about the glorious Chloe Betty boot, and mine have been well worn, so I thought I'd just really kind of give them a lot of wear before I went ahead and made this video, so I could actually tell you like more of a review style, so what they are like to wear, as much as like just an unboxing of them. So I picked up the Chloe Betty boot in the black colour. So all these boots are PVC leather, which makes them a really affordable price point for Chloe as a brand. So if you don't know, Chloe have Chloe, which is their main line, and C by Chloe, which is their diffusion line, which is obviously always a much more affordable, depending on your a version of affordability, affordable price point, but these are actually from the mainline Chloe range. So for a mainline Chloe boot, these are very affordable, and a big part of that is because they are just PVC. So they are PVC upper and lower, with the obviously the rubber heel as well, but that's their main material. These come in, I just had a look on the Chloe website, I thought they came in, like they call it nomad beige, but it's like a creamy beige, a burgundy. And I thought those were actually the only two colours they came in, but they actually come in the beige, the burgundy and navy. I'm going to try and put it here because I just had them up. And also, which I actually really like, though all those colours, I think actually just the navy and the black, but with a like sheepskin layer around the outside as well, which is absolutely gorgeous, and again a really affordable price point for a Chloe boot. So we've obviously talked quite a lot about the price point. These are £375, whereas a normal Chloe boot would probably be around 900 plus, I'd say. So you can see why I think these are more affordable in price. So yeah, they and then the sheepskin version I think was around £495, and I also noticed they now have, I think they're going to be really popular for Chloe, as all of the kind of lower price point products of certain brands always seem to really blow up, because you can have the designer for a lot more affordable, and they've now done like a harnessed version which looks so cool, but I think they're £700, so a lot more expensive. But they are fully available on the Chloe website, and on they're all sold out on Farfetch, but they were fully available on My Teresa at the time of filming this video, so I'm gonna leave a link to all of those down below. Some may be affiliate links, so if you choose to purchase my link, if through the video you feel like I've convinced you, I would really appreciate it if you could choose to purchase through my link, because that does mean that I get a little bit of a kickback if you are to buy the product. It doesn't affect your shopping experience at all, but it just shows the brand that I've helped to push that purchase through, so it gives me a little bit of a kickback, which is always well appreciated, especially when you're a small content creator. Anyway, so the features of this boot, which I love, the main feature is these are so comfortable. So dress size on the bottom, I'm around a size 12-14, so they fit my calves, yeah, they fit my calves really nicely. There's no tightness at all whatsoever. It's just a really comfortable fit around my my calf. They don't come up too high on the calves. I will show these on because I think it'll be nice for you to see where they come up. I am 5 foot, like 5'4", so I'm on the smaller side, so you'll be able to get an idea of where they may come up on you. But for the first time I wore these, they pinched a tiny bit around the front here, but other than that, they were so comfortable. I would say my foot is on the narrower side, but I've got loads of room in these to be able to wear chunky, fluffy socks with them when it gets colder as well. It's actually pretty cold already here in London, but I know it's going to get colder, and these are going to be my like staple winter boot. They are cleated on the bottom, as you can see, which give you a really good grip when you're walking. So it's all cleated all the way along, but also just looks friggin' badass. Like that looks, I actually think this is one of the like main style points I love of these boots. I've actually had people twice now come up to me and be like, excuse me, where are your boots from, in regards to these boots. That's like how I like, they look basic, but they are really eye-catching when you're wearing them. And I do love how tight, like they're not tight as in too tight, but like they are, like they're fitted at the top so that you can like wear them quite nicely with tights and under denim as well, which I really like. So they've got a big chunky zip in the side, which again is just a really cool design feature, and the little pull on the zip has Chloe branding as well, so that's one place where there's Chloe branding. Then on the back of the shoe here, there is Chloe branding as well, if that's something you're into, the branding side of it. And then on the side of the boot here, they also have the Chloe branding too, but I don't really know if you'd notice that if you were just walking around in them. But that is where the branding on the boots is, in like a very kind of like traditional like welly boot style. And that's what I see these as. They're like a really like cool it girl welly boot, basically. They're just absolutely fun and gorgeous. And yeah, there's probably a lot more I could say about them in terms of styling. I've literally been wearing them with everything, dresses, jeans. There's enough room to fit a skinny jean in there if you're a skinny jean wearer. I have worn these with skinny jeans. I obviously have 2 of them. I've been holding that one. So there's enough room if you are a skinny jeans wearer to fit them into skinny jeans. I think the white ones are super cool, but for me they felt more like a trend piece, whereas these feel a bit more like I can kind of keep wearing them for a really long time, because they're quite like just classic in my opinion. They're just like, besides the cleatedness, I'd say, which is quite like now, I think they're really classic. And I like that this is probably about 4 inches of heel as well, so they give you a really good like extra bit of height as well, which is always appreciated. So this is the boots on. I've obviously got my jeans over them, so you can see how they would look with like a flared, how would you call these, like a boxy jean basically. This is how they'd look and how you could style them. But if you are to wear them with like a tight or a dress, let me just pull this up so you can see, this is how they fit. So they are like, there's like space in there if you wanted to kind of get a skinny jean in. I've managed to do that. There's plenty of space. What have I got on them? Oh man, it's so beaten up. There we go. But yeah, there's plenty of space in there. But this is how they sort of sit on your calves as well. They sort of come, so there's my knees. That's where they come up to. So depends on what you're looking for, but they work. So you can see there's a little like gap in there, but they work really well with tights. And yeah, you can kind of get an idea of how they might fit on you. But yeah, very cool. So yeah, that that is the boots, guys. I really hope that I've inserted a little bit of them on when I mention them, because I think that's important to see how these wear. If you have any questions, then don't hesitate to put them in the comments, or you can just drop me a message on Instagram as well. My Instagram is ellensinwonderland. It's always linked down below, same as my channel. And like I said at the beginning of the video, if you enjoyed this video throughout, then please, please, please do hit that subscribe button to stay updated for future videos, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.